Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing another test with the fire alarm system. And if, yeah. And I don't know if I'll be able to make a video on how to install a full commercial fire alarm system in your house or basement. But, yeah. So, yeah. It's really clean. So, yeah, and I added a couple devices. So, yeah. Actually, I'm going to be needing this, the hex wrench, Allen wrench. Oops, I dropped it. Here it is. Actually, I'm going to keep these in here so when I have to dig for them later on. So, there we go. So, as you can see, I swapped out a pull station. So now this is the BG12L. Hold on, I'm trying to hold on to these keys with one hand. So yeah, it's the BG12L. This one used to be on the stairs. And I put the pull station that was right here on the stairs. And right here, I got the Siemens rebranded MSI-20B pull station. It is the push and pull down. The 10B doesn't have this push in part right here. The 20B does, which is, yeah. So, yeah. And I am planning to get some couple smoke detectors. And don't worry about the smoke detector. It's not connected to the system, unfortunately. Here's the security panel. Let's close this. And I got this. I got the Gentex Commander 3. So on. I think it's code 3 electromechanical horn low volume. And I also got the red Gentex Commander 3 set on the same code. And I also got the ADT push and like not the pull station. The ADT security panel. There's the pull station. And here's the Fairlight BG12LX. It's basically the L, but I call it the BG12LX because I don't want to get confused. So, yeah. Yeah, it's just the BG12. And I got the Gentex Commander 1. And I got the I got the Simplex strobe only. It still does flash. So, oops, dropped the hex key. Whatever. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the BG12L. So.
Alarm cancelled.
Gotta disarm it before my parents start yelling at me. Oh yeah, and here's the Gentex Commander 1. Alright. I'm going to do the one on the stairs. Just trying to pull it. Oh. I think I didn't reset the other pull station. Hold on. The other pull stations are connected, wired into the same. All the pull stations are wired into the same zone. So, yeah. Forgot. Yeah, dadgummit. Forgot to reset the pull station. Stupid me. As you can see, the doorbell light is off. And when I reset it, watch the light. See, it comes back on. Yeah, let me go re-pull that. Okay, it's time to pull it. There it goes.
Alarm cancelled.
Okay. And yeah, and I also got the Simplex test station right here. Okay, suss it out.
Alarm cancelled.
So, yeah. And I also got the security system, which I'm going to go and arm that. I'm going to disable the system, the motion sensor. Let's arm it. If I could. I'm just going to arm it from that crap. Bull crap. Okay, let's try it. Because I don't want the motion to trip me first. I'm actually going to disarm it. So, yeah. Okay. I guess it's time to pull it.
Alarm cancelled.
Okay. Now I gotta find out where that hex key is. Let me go find it. I'll be right back. Okay, I found the hex key. And this pull station, this is a little bit older style, and it takes a while to reset, so I'm just gonna do a camera trick. And now it's magically reset. And yeah. I'm gonna go put this back in the panel. Don't roll away on me.
Sub disarmed. Disarmed.
Okay. And I disabled the siren on the panel because there's no need to have a siren for just a demo system. We don't need like some loud siren blaring at us. That's just gonna defeat the purpose of alarms that I have up. So decided to disable it. So yeah. And this switch is the main breaker for the system. Let me show you. Let me show you what I mean. When I flip this off, the system is shut off. And when I flip it back on, the system powers it back on. It basically cuts the power to the system. Now the system is reset. I'm arming it to a way. It's when you're doing it to or when you're leaving. Just open the freezer to confirm that I exit. Once it beeps once, that means it's completely armed. It will not work until it beeps once. There goes my dogs barking. Okay, now it clicked and beeped. So now the system's completely armed. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the door. Now it beeped, now it clicked. See? Zone 7 has been tripped. There we go. And it will call my phones if for a certain amount of seconds or time. I'm gonna call my other phones.
Call from
SBC phone.
Call from
SBC
Bro,
phone.
bro. What you barking at, girl? Shut it. Hold on. Okay, so let me call this phone.
SBC phone.
Call from
SBC phone.
Oh, shut up. I can answer the phone and it works just fine. I can answer the phone and it works just fine. Yep. I got my weather radios. And I'm still working on the Cisco 7945. So, if you guys own this phone, please let me know on how to configure it. Like, give me like a comment or something. So yeah, I'm gonna call the SBC phone. Oops. Speakerphone. I got the ShoreTel IP480. So you can see it says landline. I can answer the phone and it works just fine. Now it hangs up. Sometimes, actually all the time, these phones don't automatically hang up when I hang up the Ethernet phones, Pee-wee phones. Hold on, phone. Alright, so now I'm gonna call the phone. Actually, not from that phone. I'm gonna call it from this phone. It's an SBC phone.
Call from
SBC phone.
Call from
SBC phone.
Call from
Record your message and press pound, or press star to contact the operator.
Okay, can you shut up?
Call transfer failed. Record your
Oh,
message.
shut up. Makes me ticked. Okay, so now I'm gonna call that phone. I got.
Call from
SBC phone.
Call from
SBC phone.
Call from
Record your message
SBC
and press
phone.
pound, or press star
Oh,
to
for
contact the
good God.
operator.
For Christ's sake. I really need to set it for a longer ringer time.
Minor. Call from Bryce Minor.
But
Call from Bryce Minor. Call from Bryce Minor.
cash from Bruce Minor. Now I'm gonna call my desk phone. Two 4-1-1-5. I can answer the phone. It works just fine. And it does not hang up. I have to hang up. So, yeah, that's the stupid part. And all the other phones do work. All the other phones do work. I'm gonna call the other phones. I'm actually gonna call it from here.
Call from 24111. Call from 24111.
Comes from 24111. That was coming out of my like. That was kind of with my like high pitched voice. Comes from 24111. Just a kitchen phone.
Call from SBC phone. Call from SBC phone.
Okay, my mom's getting ticked. I gotta go.